If you have been watching my videos, you must have heard me mention about C++, and maybe you might be wondering what is C++. So C++ is a programming language which is used to compose Arduino programming language. So Arduino is a combination of C and C++. So today I'm going to show you a very basic code in C++ called Hello World. I'm going to use my compiler. My compiler is Visual Studio Code. So let's start. You need to start by creating a file called by the name. You can call it the way you want, but for me I'm going to call it hello.py. Then we're going to write the code. So we start by including #include IO stream. Next we are going to say using namespace std. Then we are going to create the main body of the code. It's int main. Then we open the curly braces. Here is where we are going to write the code to be outputted in the either serial monitor, either the terminal or it's the terminal. CMD in Windows is CMD, but for me I'm using Linux, so it's called terminal. So cout, we are going to, this is the function cout, responsible for outputting the code cout. Then we use the double quotation marks. We say hello world. So this is the string which you need to pass out. Hello world. Then we can just put a semicolon. The code is okay now. We can write return 0. So we have the code. Let's try running. I think there's a namespace. Which error is it? Using namespace std. Which error is that? Namespace. Sorry, I've realized the error. I'm used to code in Python, so I saved the file hello.py instead of hello.cpp. cpp is for C++. So I'm just going to rename the file cpp. That was the only error. Then as you can see, it has changed, so we can run the code. You can find so as you can see, it's outputting here below hello world. So in case you want to write your name here, like let's say Mr. Arduino, then we run the code again to output with the name here, as you can see in the terminal. So in the next video we are going to learn more about C++ programming language and how you can use it you can integrate the C++ in Arduino programming.